Good evening, dear students. Today we are doing the exercise 8. Subtract. First one is we have to subtract these two numbers. First number is 56,47,812 minus 27,85,745. So we are subtracted from the ones place. So there is 2 and 5. 2 minus 5 is not possible. So we are take the borrow from the tens place. So it becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now it becomes the 0. 0 minus 4 is not possible. So it is take the borrow from the 100 place. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Here is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. Then 14. Here is 4. 4 minus 8 is not possible. So it is take the borrow from the 6. So it becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Here is 5 is remain. Then 5 minus 7 is not possible. So this 5 is give the borrow. So it becomes the 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. Then here is remain 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So answer is 28,62,067. Similarly, we are doing the second. Now I explain the third. Third is 93,42,570 is minus 74,56,789. 7 minus 9 is not possible. So 17 minus 9 is 8. It is give the borrow to 7. Now it is 0. So 0 minus 8 is not possible. So 5 is give the borrow. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now it is 4. 4 minus 7 is not possible. So 2 is give the borrow. So it becomes the 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here is 1. 1 minus 6 is not possible. So 4 is give the borrow. So it becomes the 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Here is 3. 3 minus 5 is not possible. So this 3 is given the borrow to 3. Then it is the 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Then here is remain 2. 2 minus 4 is again not possible. So 9 is give the borrow. So it becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Next is 8 minus 7 is 1. Now I explain the ninth. Ninth is 9 crore 4 lakh 13 subtracted to the 6 crore 5 lakh 2,470. So here is 3, there is 7, 3 it is not possible. So it is taken the borrow from the tens place. So it is 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. Now it becomes the 0. 0 minus 9 is again not possible. So it is taken from the borrow. Here is 0. So it is not given. Here is also 0. So it is also not possible to give anything. There is also 0. This 4 is given the borrow to the first this one. So it becomes 10. Then 10 is given to there. So it is 9. It is 10. Then 10 is given the 100 place. So it is 9. It is 10. Then this 10 is given the one borrow there. So it becomes 10 and it is 9. Then 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then 9 minus 0 is 9. It is given the borrow. So it is 3. Now the 3 minus 5 is not possible. So it is taken the borrow from the there, but there is 0. So it is not give. So we are go on the crore place. So 9 is give the borrow first to the 10 lakh. So it becomes 10 and 10 is give the borrow 2 lakh place. So it is 13 and it becomes 9. It becomes 8. 13 minus 5 is 8. 9 minus 0 is 9 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So answer is 2 crore. There is 2 crore 98 lakh 97,596. Now find the difference. 11th 58 lakh 26,704 minus 39 lakh 27,850. So 58 lakh 26,704 minus 39 lakh 27,815. So here 4 minus 5 is not possible, so it is take the borrow from the tens place, but there is 0, so this 7 is give the borrow first to 10, so it becomes the 10, and then 10 is given the borrow there, so it is 14, this is 9, and it becomes the 6. 14 minus 5 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. Here 6 minus 8 is not possible, so this 6 is give the borrow, so it becomes the 16. 16 minus 8 is 8, and it is the 5. Now 5 minus 7 is not possible, so it is take the borrow from the 2. So it is 15, 15 minus 7 is 8. Now it is becomes the 1. Then 1 minus 2 is not possible, so it is taken the borrow from the 8, so it becomes the 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. It is now 7. 7 minus 9 is again not possible, so it is take the borrow from 5. So it becomes the 17. 17 minus 9 is 8, and it is 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is 18,98,889. Next is 14. 1 crore 20,34,504 minus 80,75,698. So we are subtract this one. 4 minus 8 is not possible, so 14 minus 8 is 6. It is taken the borrow from the tens place, but there is 0, so it is taken the borrow from 5. 5 make first this one 10, and 10 is given the borrow there, so it is 14, this is 9, and this is 4. 14 minus 8 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0. Now 4 minus 6 is not possible, so this 4 is give the borrow, it becomes the 14, and it is 3. Then 14 minus 6 is 8. Then 3 minus 5 is not possible, so this 3 is give the borrow there, so it becomes the 13, and 13 minus 5 is 8. Now it is becomes the 2, and 2 minus 7 is not possible, so this give the borrow, but there is 0, so we are take the borrow from the 2. 2 give the borrow there, so it becomes 10, and 10 give the borrow there, so it becomes the 9, and it becomes the 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. Now it is 1. So 1 minus 8 is again not possible, so this 1 is give the borrow there, so it becomes the 11, and 11 minus 8 is 3, and it becomes the 0. So answer is 39,58,806. Your homework is to do the remaining questions of the exercise 8. That means you are complete the exercise 8 in your copy.